Hey, what's cracking, YouTube? It's Future Tune right here. I'm saying Future Tune because I'm putting this at the beginning of the video because I just got finished editing the video. As you can see, I still have the shoes on the turntable because I was doing pictures for my Instagram. And as I was editing, I realized that a lot of the video is missing sound. It's missing audio. So I just wanted to send a sincere apology for that. I hope y'all still can enjoy the video as much as you can. It's not the whole video, but it is like parts where like some audio is missing out. So I do apologize. Damn, excuse me. I wanted to reshoot, but I'm actually in the verge of leaving out. I have to take care of some business, and I didn't want y'all waiting for some content. I want to give y'all content as fast as possible. So this is not going to be one of my better videos. I do apologize once again. And yeah, man, just try to enjoy as much as you can. I don't know if it was the mic or just the phone, but I'll figure out the problem, and I promise it won't happen again. So I apologize. Your boy Tune. Let's get to the intro.
My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
Before we get started, I need you to do me a favor. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my Manstagram on the description below, and the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. Alright, so first pick up couple before we get started. One, y'all go ahead and excuse if I sound kind of off a little bit. I just got my retainer. As a matter of fact, I just got my retainers. I got my bracelets taken off. And yeah. Oh, it's really my bottoms that's bothering me. See, it's just my bottoms is just like bothering the hell out of me. But yeah, that's why I sound like that. The other thing is, like, so I got it on my chain right now. Class is holding the camera, so I can't really see how I look with it. But he says on the chain, so put that right there. Anyway, first pickup of the month of November. What's today's date? The 6th or something like that. Today's date. Today is the 4th. Excuse me, 4th. So first pickup of the early new month, right? Boom! Just came back from Foot Locker. Shout out to Foot Locker. Right off bat, I like this box. Like when they, now I don't even want to call it a special box, but I like when they give us, you know, they work with us. They give us something. So you got this all right there with the Nike sign, and the blue goes all the way around it, all around it. One Retro High OG. The color is black, royal blue, white. 80, I think it was 180. Size 8.5. So you know what that means? Personal pair. Go straight to it. And they wrap this up like a newborn baby. These are wrapped. It's because I already looked at these at the store. But boom, boom, boom. Alright. So damn, what is the actual name for these? It's in a little commercial break or whatever like that, but I'm gonna go with the Air Jordan 1 High Retro OG. the noise right there. We got Chewy and his brother's here today. Playing around. You can show them. They just playing around, whatever, like that. So look at them. Look at them. Right back over here. So if y'all hear that little rambling like that, it's them two. Them two just playing around. Anyway, I got some information off of sneakernews.com. Shout out to sneakernews.com. It'll be up right. Air Jordan 1 Royal Reimagined is officially coming. Reimagining the 1985 original Boston. Here's everything you need to know about this upcoming release. From its design inspiration is his sneaker release. The Air Jordan 1 Royal Reimagined is officially set to release on November the 4th, 2023, which is $180, so that is the accessory price. Preschool and all that tile and everything like that. Prior to the official sneakers released the shoe earlier on in October 19th via exclusive access. They did do it, but you had to like opportunity to purchase the shoe earlier were given to those who met specific criteria. If you entered and lost the Air Jordan 3 Reimagined, you qualify for that. So I think I did the Air Jordan, if I'm not mistaken, but I do have both of those pairs of shoes right now. The Reimagined search with the idea of reimagining of an original iconic Air Jordan of the past within new material. The first official patent bred from December of 2021. I think I need another pair of that too. I need to get another pair of that. Was glossy patent leather. The next reimagined release came nearly a year later. The Air Jordan 1 Lost and Found, which introduced any mistaken believe the Lost and Found to be the first reimagined release. That's what I actually thought. I thought the Lost and Found was the very first. Now I want to give me a pair of breads. I had it when I went I wore them on my birthday 2 years ago when I went to Alaska. Another pair. We first caught wind of the Air Jordan 1 Royal Reimagined at the tail end. That a release would fall sometime during the holiday 2023 season. And while reimagining would typically lead us to yellow midsole, we now know the collection to be much less predictable, as both bread reimagined have gone in entirely different directions. And this is just some images from it. Based on those, Royal Reimagined is faithful to the original colorway. Its color blocking is particular 1.1 with the OG throughout the upper in the same manner. The only distinction lies in the construction, which replaces the leather upper with entirely most of suede. There we go. And then just talking about some more. You can read that on your own. Maybe popping up. All right, so that's some information from sneakernews.com. Again, shout out to sneakernews.com. So, like I said, the Royals, just now the whole shoe is suede now. They do got the Reimagined 3 that come with yellow sole and cracked leather, and they got the Reimagined 1, so Lost and Founds, with the cracked leather going around. They have the patent breads. I'm trying to figure out if I still have a pair. I don't think I do though. I need to get me a pair of patent breads though. Pick that up. I should have kept it. Do I got a pair? I see a size 10 up there. I'm gonna check after this. I might have them. I hope I still have them. All suede shoe. That royal blue right there. Got that black going around it. Nike Air. Midsole is that white. Outer sole is that royal blue. Got the black Air Jordan. I like the shoe. I don't even like suede like that, but I like the shoe. I mean, maybe the blue and black just look nice. I did have. I just don't wear ones like that, to be real with you. So I was like, why do I need it? They were just sitting here. I could have got some extra money. So I was like, shoe. It's a good shoe. I mean, it's a decent shoe. I'm actually gonna give it an 8.5. I like it because I like the blue and black. Praise, like, it doesn't look too much. Like, I like the shoe. The hype on the shoe did drop down. I remember when they first showed it. I was like, oh yes, we're gonna get it. Now that like the initial release, I don't even think this. Of course, the shoe's gonna all Air Jordan 1 sell out, but I just don't think the hype, and I don't think that the let's see what the market is. Let's go to StockX and let's see what they're going for. Oh, they're not going for nothing. Wait, this can't be right. These are going for 152. That, I think. Wow. Yeah, they're going. Yeah, these ain't going for nothing. Yeah, they're going for 152, and then you can do fast delivery on StockX for one. So yeah, they're not going for anything. Like, they're going below retail. That up, maybe. Did they? Oh, let me check the sneak. They dropped on sneakers today. Let's see if they. That's a wrap. Like, that's a wrap for this shoe. Let's see. They still on sneakers that. Yeah, this shoe ain't going for nothing. Wow, I did not think that. I did not think. I think it's gonna flop like that. These are still on sneakers. All right, well, I mean, you can get the shoe. StockX is cheap, and they still available on sneakers, whatever like that. And I'm for the Foot Locker on Monday. We're gonna see, because usually when they do the reserve pairs Sunday, the next day you can pick them up. But I don't really go to Foot Locker. See about Monday if they still sit on the wall, but I'm guessing they still gonna be sitting on the wall. Wow. Okay. Well, if you need it. Right? You like it? You like the blue? The black? 8.5. Yeah. So it's a good shoe. It's a good shoe. Just to have in your collection, whatever. Wear it every now and then like that. So you like this shoe? I might get you this pair. I'll get you this pair because they came in kids too. So anyway, y'all let me know what y'all think about the Air Jordan 1 High Retro OG Royal Reimagined. Or did you hit on did you hit on the exclusive access that dropped like a month ago? Did you hit on sneakers? Did you walk? Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all in the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content. Favorite Sneakerhead, represent Tunes Kicks and the whole Tune Squad. You know what to do. Have a nice day.